everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Histories, and today I'll talk about generation, the legacy. Will Mazwi ever get married, guys? The first time it was his girlfriend Simphiwe who slept with his brother Smanga, and Mazwi was so heartbroken and they couldn't get married, guys. The second person was Sphe, Smanga no Sphe. They were forced into an arranged marriage, and bobabili guys babe ngawuthandi lo amshado, and it didn't work out. Now we were hoping he will marry Fikile, and this happened, guys. Umazwi realized ngomzuzu wokugcina ukuthi Fikile was not the one, and the one is Tracy ngokwakho. Now I'm asking myself if their relationship will work after everything that have happened with Fikile. Mind you, these people are working in the same company, guys, so how will this thing work out, guys? The time Mazwi was dating Fikile, inkinga kaFikile enkulu was Sphe, because Mazwi une soft spot for Sphe and angashare yonke into just to help Sphe out if efuna usizo. So now I'm asking myself, or I'm asking you, ukuthi ucanga ukuthi Mazwi wenze ichoice right yini ukuthi akhethe uTracy over Fikile and over Sphe, or Sphe usazoqhubeka futhi abe inkinga kwi relationship ka Tracy no Mazwi. I'm sorry to say Usmang no Mazwi, guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.